Hello, in this video I'm going to go through one of my landing pages and show you what it is and how I've created and built it. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. If you like videos like this one, then please do comment in the comment box below with any problems or questions you may have, and I will do my best to create one for you. So let's get started with this landing page and what it is and why I have created this landing page in the way I have. So the first thing which you will see at the top is my logo and my Google and YouTube certifications to build in that authority and the confidence which these brands will hopefully give you. You will notice that there is no navigation bar over here. There's no home, contact, about, and all the other buttons or links which you usually have on a navigation bar, because I don't want my visitors to this website to get confused and start clicking on various links. I want them to be very focused on a specific and a single call to action, which is this form, and I've got this nice big arrow over there to point out that that's what I want them to do. So to begin with, got a very strong call, not a call to action, but a very clear and concise heading where it says, attention all struggling Google AdWords users. So it's easy to understand and read. So after that, I've got that subheading, and between the heading and the subheading, the visitor should get your message straight away within a matter of seconds. Don't make it very long and lengthy and confusing to read. And even after reading it, some people will still get confused as to what the hell this web page is all about. So I've just got two lines over at the top. Then I've got my video in there. I've seen some pages which autoplays. Please don't do that. It is really annoying, and it is not a best practice. If somebody wants to watch your video, then by all means they can click on it and play the video, but I'm not a very big fan of autoplay videos. I'll just show you what this video is like. I've muted the sound. It is 1 minute and 18 seconds long. So it's a very simple video where I'm talking about this offer I have got on this landing page, and all I've got is my logo on it, and that's about it. There are no fancy animations, graphics, or anything like that, just a little bit of background music, and that's about it. So I'm a big fan of keeping it simple, and I tend to keep most of my things in my business very simple as well. So after the video, or next to the video, I've got my little form, and as you may have heard from me in my other videos about landing pages, that I'm also a big fan of short form opt-in boxes. I tend not to have long forms which make someone fill in lots and lots of fields. The only thing they need to fill in over here, as you can see, is the email, and then they can get my free training. Just a couple of things you may have noticed on here. These are quite important now. So this is the end screen links, where it is a clickable link from my YouTube video straight to my landing page. Now, as of 20th of Feb 2018, YouTube changed the rules as to who can have these and who can't. So if you've got a new channel or a smaller channel where you've got less than 1,000 subscribers, or I believe it is about 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months or so, then you won't be able to get these end screens and the cards on your videos. So don't get too stressed about it. Keep working towards that goal, and once you are eligible, or once your channel is eligible, then you'll be able to get these links on your videos. So again, this is a great way to drive traffic from your videos wherever they are on the internet, be it on your website, blog, or somebody has embedded your video on their blog. Then it's a great way to drive traffic to your landing page. So now I've got the form over here, and always put in that the privacy is always respected and it is secure. I never share our data or our subscriber list with anyone, neither have I ever sold the list to anyone. So it's always secure with us. The next thing is, in this free video training, what you are going to learn. Again, not a long paragraphs or lots and lots of text. I've only got about 5 bullet points where you can see it straight up what you are going to learn in this training. So it's again very easy to read and simple to understand. Then I've got a few of my client testimonials, which my customers and subscribers have put up on my Google My Business page, Facebook, or sent them across to me. So it again gives our visitor to the website, to this landing page, a bit more confidence. Over here I've got a little bit more about me, who I am, what I do. Again, the 2 logos should give a bit more confidence that I do know what I'm talking about, and I've been certified by Google and YouTube. Images, again, is the proof that I have presented for major brands like Nikon at the Apple Store in London, and presented in various workshops and seminars. So this again gives a little bit more confidence to the visitor. At the bottom I've got my contact details. Now many landing pages I see don't have any address or phone numbers. Okay, I understand if you are working from home you don't want to put your address on it, but it is really important to have a contact number. A phone call converts the best. Why wouldn't you want to have a phone number on any landing page or website? I want people to call me. Unless you don't want them to call you, that's a different matter. But I want to build up that engagement and the start of the journey of building up a relationship with my potential customers. And the best way to do that is through a phone call or a Skype or a Google Hangout or a Zoom call. It could be anything. I want to talk to you. I'm talking to you right now through this video. Perhaps further down the line, you may have some problems or things which you need help with, and you may get in touch with me. And the quickest way and the easiest way, which people prefer, is through a phone call. So I would always recommend and advise that you do put in a phone call and an address, because it really gives a lot of confidence to your visitors to the page that you're not a spammer or a scammer, and you are genuine, and you're happy to put in your contact details on your landing pages. So this is how I have designed my landing page, and the format of it is usually the same but with a different offer. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button, so when I do upload other videos like this one, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next ones. Bye for now.